So we need to pick a stain for this deck.
Yeah,
I want to go light.
I want to go dark.
What do you guys think?
Dark.
I like light though.
No, you can't get a nice look to match this. It's orangey.
I'm never going to win, am I?
No, I think dark will look good.
Okay, well we're going to go dark, and if it doesn't turn out, you know who we're blaming.
No, him. No, I'm pretty sure it'll look good.
Okay, how dark?
Real dark, like a blacky brown, like dark.
Okay, I'll see what I can find.
You'll find it. They make that.
Okay, that's it. Dark is dark.
Yeah.
That's it.
No, we've tried the other lighter stains and they're too orangey. And I think orange will look gross with this.
Gross.
Gross.
Okay.
It won't.
Okay.
Yeah. Dark.
You got it. Dark it is.
I like dark.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Hammered Halo. I'm Rob, and we were finally blessed with 2 really good days to dry this deck up, and now we can go ahead and stain it. We decided to use a semi-transparent stain. This one is called English Oak. It's fairly dark, but still semi-transparent, but that's what we're going to go with, just because the deck is really old, has a lot of flaws in it, and hopefully this will cover them up nicely and protect the wood. Well, I hate to say it, but it looks like we're going to need a second coat on here. Had to run out, grab a couple more gallons of stain. This wood is just so old and weathered that it really sucked up the paint. So, story of my life, but better to do it right than not. So let's give it a second coat.
What do you think?
Well, once again, I think you were right and I was wrong.
How many times have we painted and stained the same deck? We've had it gray, we've had it that yellowish color, yellowy orange.
Yep.
It didn't look right. I think this one looked right.
Yeah, it's a really nice contrast.
Yeah, I like it.
Good choice. Hey, Tango.
Now what?
Now what?
Yeah.
Well, now we move on to the next thing.
Which is?
I'm not sure yet. But no, the deck looks really good. I like it. Took 2 coats, more than
we thought it would, but you know, this is always the case, even in my work. Every time a designer lays out all these different colors and choices, I question it. When it's in a big pile at the beginning, I question it, and I think, you know, what kind of drugs is this woman on, or this guy on? And then as it comes together, the whole project, I'm always eating my words because it always looks good in the end. So that's going to do it for the deck staining. If you didn't get a chance to see the pressure washing video of this deck, I'll put a link right up here. Make sure you check that video out. And if you want to see more DIY home improvement videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and hit the bell icon to be notified every time we upload a new video. Take care, everybody.
Bye.
And God bless. Peace out.